Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide journaling suggestion notifications on the lock screen in the notification center or on banners on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down in here, tap on Journaling Suggestions, and then scroll down to the bottom. In here, tap on Suggestion Notification Settings, and go to the Alerts section. Now in here, tap on the radio box at the bottom on each one of the alerts type. So the lock screen, you can choose to hide or show notifications on the lock screen. You can choose to show or hide notification in the notification center. And lastly, you can choose to show or hide the journaling suggestions notifications in pop-up banners or not. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.